Hello. Today we are discussing a data case competition. This is the first data case study that I am discussing in my YouTube channel. This was conducted by the Department of Statistics (NCFL) of Ramanujan College, University of Delhi. Stratum 24 presents the data case competition, Data Drishti. Okay. The problem statement. Welcome to Data Drishti. Your mission is to dive into the data set provided and uncover hidden patterns and connections using statistical methods, machine learning, and data visualization. Your team's goal is to identify meaningful correlations between different variables in the data set. Focus on revealing insights that can help decision makers make informed choices. The team with the most insightful correlation analysis, along with clear explanations and actionable insights, will win. Good luck. Metadata. Hypertension. The data set is related to hypertension, which is a medical condition characterized by high blood pressure. Key features: age, patient's age is in years, sex, patient's gender, if it's male 1, if it's female 0. Chest pain type 0, asymptomatic, 1, typical angina, 2, atypical angina, 3, non-anginal pain. FBS, if the patient's fasting blood sugar is more than 120, then 1. If it's yes, then 1, no, 0. Okay. Resting ECG results, if it's normal, 0. 1 means ST wave abnormality. Next is old peak. If the ST depression induced by exercise relative to rest. Slope, the slope of the peak exercise ST segment, that is 0 for unsloping, 1 for flat, and 2 for downsloping. Okay, then CA, the number of major vessels 0 to 3 colored by fluoroscopy. Thal 1, that is normal, Thal is normal 1, fixed defect 2, reversible defect 3. Target whether the patient has hypertension, if yes 1, if no 0. Next is global weather. The data set provides daily weather information for capital cities around the world. Unlike forecasting data, the data set offers a comprehensive set of features that reflect the current weather conditions around the world. Starting from August 29, 2023, it provides over 40 plus features including temperature, wind, pressure, precipitation, humidity, visibility, air quality measurements, and more. The data set is valuable for analyzing global weather patterns, exploring climate trends, and understanding the relationships between different weather parameters. Key features. The data sets I'll share after this case study. Okay, I do have the files with me. Key features: country of the weather data, location name of the location, city, latitude coordinate of the location, longitude coordinate of the location, time zone of the location, last updated epoch, Unix timestamp of the last data update, last updated local time of the last date update, temperature Celsius, temperature in degrees Celsius, temperature Fahrenheit, temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Condition text, weather condition description, wind and pH, wind speed in miles per hour, then wind speed in kilometers per hour, then wind direction in degrees, then wind direction, wind degree is the wind direction in degrees, wind direction is the wind direction as a 16-point compass, then pressure in millibars, then pressure in inches, then precipitation amount in millimeters, precipitation amount in inches, humidity as a percentage, cloud cloud cover as a percentage. Next, feels like temperature in Celsius, feels like temperature in Fahrenheit, visibility in kilometers, visibility in miles, UV index, wind gust in miles per hour, wind gust in kilometers per hour, air quality measurement carbon monoxide, air quality measurement of ozone, air quality measurement nitrogen dioxide, air quality measurement sulfur dioxide, Then air quality measurement PM 2.5, air quality measurement PM 10, air quality measurement US EPA index, that is US EPA, yeah, US EPA index. Then air quality measurement GB DEFRA index. Then local time of sunrise, local time of sunset, local time of moonrise, local time of moonset, current moon phase, moon illumination percentage. Next is food production. The data set contains data of total production of different types of foods in per year in each country from 1961 to 2023 of all country. The food are maize, oranges, peas, dry palm oils, grapes, coffee green, cocoa beans, meat, chicken, bananas, avocados, apples, rice, yam, wheat, tomatoes, tea, sweet potatoes, sunflower seed, sugarcane, soya bean, rye, and potatoes. Key feature, entity, country name, year, data recorded years. Recorded year, okay. Then deliverables. The teams are supposed to study the data set, analyze it, identify the problem statement for the same, and specify the analytical tools used. Conduct thorough exploratory data analysis to understand the structure, patterns, and relationships with the data set. Document the analysis processes, including methodologies, assumptions, and limitations. Provide detailed explanations of the steps taken and decisions made throughout the analysis. Then analysis results should be mentioned clearly at the end. Okay, 1 minute. Then the guidelines are provided. The teams can choose any one of the 3 data sets for analysis. Teams are responsible for independently conceptualizing a problem and formulating a corresponding solution based on the data set provided. The use of tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, R, Tableau is allowed, but the use of AI is prohibited. Okay, so that's it. Now the submissions are as per. So these are not of our course. Yeah, for brownie pointers, they have provided that individuals who identify a greater number of issues within the dataset will be awarded additional points. Participants utilizing advanced tools such as Power BI or Python will receive higher point allocations compared to those relying solely on Excel. Okay. And the evaluation criterion, data understanding and problem clarity, is 20%. Solution creativity, 30%. Then presentation skills, 20%. Originality and innovation, 20%. Clarity of concepts, 10%. Okay, now let's check the data. So the best thing is that you just take a screenshot. I mean, if it's print screen, yeah. Okay, it is. If you are not from a statistic background, you will find this so, what to say, like you won't get any, you will be clueless throughout the case analysis. Okay, so just I will not shown this. Take screenshots, that's better, or screen record as well. It will also help because it's a lot of data. Just take some screen recordings. Okay, we are almost done with the first data set. This was on food production data. Okay. So that's it. The country's names is given here. Next is global weather data. So this is the global what to say weather data. Sorry. Yes. I guess there was a glitch where I was showing the data productions Excel. I'll re-show it. Okay, I'll show it again. This is better that you guys screenshot this. It's so much. I mean, not screenshot, screen record. Or yeah, I can do another thing. You can just what to say comment in the comment box, so I'll share it with your email ID. That also works because this is so much. I don't think it will be visible, like it is practical for you guys to get it from a screen record or screenshot. And we again have the hypertension data. So this too, like that only. So I suggest you guys to comment in the comment box if you need these data sets to practice. So just comment in the let me know in the comment box and I'll share it with you. That's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning.